Hey guys, what y'all doing? You cuddling, Pickles? Cold outside today, huh? Pickle, pickle, pickle. Bindy, bindy. Penny's like, do I really have to share my bed?